Hi guys, Joe from Prepper in the Woods here on another cold frosty day. I'm going to show you today the Vulcan VXP fire starter. Now I never seen this before. This is American, it's American made. It looks very different from the stuff that we get here in the UK. So we're going to have a play with it now. I'm going to boil some water for hot chocolate and then we'll see how easy this lights, how waterproof it is. Will it light with a ferro rod, that kind of stuff. So yeah, again, that's what it is, and we're gonna instructions on the back, very handy. So let's have a play now and see how well it actually lights. Alright, so I'll pour some water into my Stanley bottle. Oop, there. Right. So I'm going to light this, and for this top bit here, it's like a waxed disc. So I'm going to scrape that, put that in there, and then put the standing cup on top and see if that's good enough just to boil water on that alone. This stuff here, it's in the tin, it's like a hard gel, so I'm going to scrape some of that out, put it on here and see how well that lights. You can light this from here and use it as well, just from on here as a stove type thing, but I don't want to do that. I want to use it and then kind of save most of it. So let's get this started now. Scrape this, I guess, just like waxed cotton balls. That's how I'm gonna take it as, like one of those waxed discs. So we'll get to that now. Alright, I'm using a Mora today. This is what, the Garberg? Yeah, Garberg. Just change up a bit. I got so many knives that you don't want to, after a while, just rely on one. Puka's still my favorite though. But I just want to get some use out of some of the knives I have. Right, so let's fluff it up a little bit. Alright, let's see how well this lights off a ferro rod. Oh. Okay, that worked well. Just going to take that, put it in here, like so, and then that can boil like so until we play with the other stuff now. So let's just see if the other stuff lights as well as this. Let's see. Alright, this is all frozen. Now I'm not exactly sure what's in this one, so we're gonna have to have a bit of a play. I'll fix this. Okay, that's a bit better. Right, so well, that's burning well. a little bit of black smoke. Okay, so just on the wick alone, it nearly boiled the water. That's only on the wick. So now I just put the can underneath there to make it kind of like just a little stove, just to finish this off. This is the way you're supposed to do it and cook with it. So me taking it out was just showing you examples of how it lights with a ferro rod. So it is doing its thing. It is waterproof. Right, so I'll just give you the specs, and this is off their website, which is VULCANXP.com. So the VULCANXP is a reliable fire starter, up to 16 minutes burn time, easily ignited with a spark or flame. The VPX will burn long and hot enough to ignite wet kindling and dry out wood to get a hot fire burning in adverse conditions. Made in the USA, all natural, sustainable sources, 25 years shelf life. Up to 60 minutes burn time, reaches temperatures over 1,000 degrees Fahrenheit. Reusable, starts fires again and again. Water resistant coating keeps the starter protected until ready to use. Strong flame, resistant to rain, snow, wind, and ice conditions. So that's all off the website. It's priced up at $14.99. So obviously pounds would be a little bit less than that. This was sent to me, so to review. So if I'm honest, I'm being honest. It's working. I have no problems with that. Water's nearly boiled. I do like it's in a container, so it's not gonna make my bag messy. The wick, the top disc bit, it should be the wick, so that should just stay in the container. I took it out just to kind of show examples and mess with this a little bit. I cut out a few pieces from the inside. That took a ferro rod spark, so a lighter would be even easier. So it does work. It says what's on the tin. It is what it is. Emergency fire starter. Yeah, it works. People are gonna say I use Vaseline cotton balls or all the rest of it. Yeah, you can. I mean, I'm not gonna knock any particular product or anything, but if you're into homemade stuff and that's your thing, that's fine. If you want to source outside stuff, maybe you don't have time, maybe you want something, you know, a bit nicer made than homemade, you know, this is fine as well. I mean, $15 I don't think is a too much money for this. But yeah, so it is what it is. Water's nearly boiled, so I'm happy with that. But I'm just gonna enjoy some hot chocolate on this cold, chilly day, and hope all you guys are okay. Thanks for watching, and catch you next video. Please like and subscribe if you can. Thanks guys, bye.